In this tutorial, I will show you how to soften the edges of a photo in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Enter 100 by 50 pixels and create a new design. This will open a blank canvas. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Go to the Upload section and select your image. Then drag it onto the canvas. Right-click on the photo and select Set Image as background so the photo fills the entire canvas. Now go to the Elements section and add a rectangle shape. Resize the rectangle so it covers the entire canvas. With the rectangle selected, change its color settings and apply a gradient style. Choose a circular gradient so the center remains clear while the edges gradually fade. Next, adjust the gradient stops and set some of the colors to transparent. This creates a fading effect where the edges become softer and blend smoothly with the background. Move the gradient points and adjust transparency until the edges of the photo look soft and natural. When the effect looks the way you want, click Share and then Download to save the image. That is how you soften the edges of a photo in Canva.